Previously we created this dashboard from a single period data of staff engagement statistics. It was then requested by some viewers to include historical data as well, and display trends in the same dashboard. Today, we will include data of 3 more years into the existing data. And we will show you how to accommodate those changes into your query. And then we will show you how to display historical data and visualize trends in your dashboard. Link to the part 1 of this tutorial is available in the comments below, along with the data and Power BI files. To include the historical data, we have created a year column in our Excel sheet. And then we added data of 3 more years in addition to the existing data. To add the year column to the Power BI data pane, we need to refresh the data first. However, since we are using a transformed version of data, the year column will not automatically be added to the data pane. To bring the column into the data pane, we need to go to the query editor. Here, we need to trace the last transformation where the year column disappears. Here, the tables are being loading, so there are no columns here. We need to look at all queries one by one, and find the one where the year column disappears. And here is where the year column is excluded. So, to add this column we simply need to include its name in the list of columns here. After adding the column, we will just click on the Apply button. Now this column is included in the queries afterwards as well. After adding the column, we will just click on the Close and Apply button to load the data into the data pane. And now, the year column is also available in the data pane. Let's add a slicer, based on the year column, to the dashboard. Copy an existing slicer, to avoid formatting it again, and place it at the top right corner. Place it here right next to the title text box, and change it into a drop-down from Slicer Settings. Then turn off the slicer header as well. Replace the field in the slicer with the year field. Now, we can display year-wise staff engagement survey data in our dashboard. However, we do not want to display all years at once and show unrealistic headcount and other data, as it shows 49,000's headcount, which is not true. It is just accumulating the employees for 4 years. So, we will again go to the slicer settings and turn on the single select option from the slicer settings. And now we can see data of only 1 year at a time which we want. Now, resize and arrange the gauge visuals to create space from another visual to display historical information. Now we can display this column chart on half of the space. And on the rest of the area, we will place a copy of this chart for historical trend chart. We will replace the field in the x-axis of this column chart with the year field. And since we want to see the trend, we will disable its interaction with the year slicer. After which, it is display all years at all times. Now, we can change it into a line chart to properly display the trend lines. Rename y-axis to measure. And our dashboard is now complete. This is how you include data of more periods into an existing data belonging to one period only. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials and updates.